Chapter 4, How a Computer Works. We will learn about how a computer works, devices, processing devices, input devices, output devices, storage devices, children. A computer works with instructions that we give. This is called data input. This input can be in the form of numbers, words, sounds or pictures. Working of a computer, you may want your computer to do different tasks at different times. But it cannot work on its own. You have to give instructions to your computer to work. The working of a computer is similar to the working of a human brain. A computer works on 3 basic steps. Look at the process of a juicer machine as given below. Similarly, we enter data or instructions into a computer using the keyboard and the mouse. This data or instruction is called input. The computer converts the data into meaningful information with the help of the CPU. This step is called processing. After processing the data, the computer gives us the result on the monitor. This result is called the output. So, a computer works in 3 steps. This cycle is known as IPO, where I is input, T is processing and O is output. Devices. A part or tool that does a particular job is called a device. A computer has different devices. These are 1. Input devices, 2. Processing devices, 3. Output devices, 4. Storage devices. Input devices. Input devices help us to give input or data to the computer. Input can be in the form of symbols, letters, numbers, pictures or sound. Common input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, light pen, joystick, microphone. Processing devices. Working on input or data is called processing. CPU is the processing. Output devices. The parts of computer which help us to give output are called output devices. Output can be in form of symbols, letters, numbers, pictures or sound. Common output devices are monitor, printer, speakers, booster doors. Some devices, like a headphone attached to the microphone, give both input as well as output. Storage devices. A storage device is a device that stores data for later use. A hard disk is a storage device of a computer. It is inside the CPU box. It stores the information we put in the computer. We also store information outside the computer in a CD-ROM, compact disc read-only memory, or pen drive. Hard disk, CD-ROM, pen drive. Recap. A storage device is a device that stores data for later use. A computer works on IPO cycle, where I is input, T is processing and O is output. A computer works with the instructions that we give. The parts of computer which help us to give output are called output devices. Input devices help us to give input or data to the computer. Working on input or data is called processing.